Good morning, children. Today we will see second lecture in waves, class 12, waves second lecture. In this lecture, we will see what kind of waves are produced in a stretched string, what are the frequencies, what is fundamental frequency, what is first harmonic, what is second harmonic, what is third harmonic, what are the relations between velocity and frequency, what is the frequencies ratio. All these things we will discuss in this session. Before going to start this session, I am Satish Kumar, senior physics faculty, and the lecture is waves, class 12, waves. Children, already we saw in first lecture what is meant by wave. What are the types of waves? What is meant by wave? The disturbance produced in a medium creates a wave. The disturbance produced in a medium creates a wave. Waves are of two types. One is progressive wave, one is stationary wave. Again, progressive waves are two types. One is longitudinal, another one is a transverse wave. Progressive wave is again two types. A progressive wave which continuously travels in forward direction. Progressive waves are again two types, longitudinal and transverse. Transverse means nothing but wave direction and particle direction both are perpendicular. If wave direction and particle direction both are same, that is called longitudinal wave. Light wave is example for transverse. Sound wave is example for longitudinal. In resonating air column experiment, stationary waves are produced. That means organ pipe. What is meant by organ pipe? We will see. Today we will see waves produced in a stretched string. See children, this is a string. The two ends of the string we fixed to some a rigid body. This is a these two are residents. In between two residents, one string is tied to two ends of the two rigid bodies. If you plug it, what will happen? Waves are produced. Generally, how much tension increases? If you fix very tightly, number of waves will be increased. If you tight loosely, number of waves also decreased. Number of waves decreased if you tie the string loosely. If you tie it very tightly, then number of waves will be more. Let us consider initially only one loop is produced. This is called one loop. This is only one loop. Here particle displacement is maximum. This point is called antinode. Here and here particle cannot displace that much easily. This is called node. This is called nothing but stationary wave or standing wave. Why? Because energy is trapped. Energy is maximum at antinode, minimum at nodes. This is called basic wave. First wave produced in a string. If a string is fixed in between two rigid supports, if you plug the string, what will happen? Waves are produced. This is the first wave. This is called fundamental frequency. This is called fundamental frequency. Let the distance between the string is L. The distance between these two ends are nothing but lambda by, this is what, lambda by 2. The distance between two ends is lambda by 2. So we can say in fundamental frequency, in fundamental frequency, what will happen, children? Length of the string is equal to lambda by 2. Why? Because the length of the string is L and the distance between two successive nodes is lambda by 2, half of the wavelength. So lambda is equal to what will happen? 2L. This is what a wavelength. Wavelength means the distance between two successive points in the same phase. Once again, children, lambda means the distance between two points within the same phase. Example, the distance between two successive crests, the distance between two successive troughs. This is half of the wavelength. Why? Because here antinode, one more antinode comes here. The distance between two nodes or antinode is only half of the wavelength. That means two full loops makes one lane, two full loops make one lambda. This is what lambda is equal to L, but we want frequency. What is the velocity of wave? V is equal to nu lambda. V is velocity of wave, nu is the frequency. Frequency means number of waves produced per second. Lambda is the wavelength. We want nu 1. So nu 1 is equal to what will happen? V by lambda. V nu 1 is equal to V by lambda is 2L. This is what frequency 1. This is what frequency 1. Frequency of a fundamental loop. But what is velocity? Velocity is equal to under root T by mu. This is the formula for velocity of any progressive wave. V is equal to under root T by mu. So, V is equal to under root T by mu. Substitute here. V1 is equal to what? Nu 1 is equal to what will happen? 1 by 2L into under root T by mu. This is the fundamental frequency formula. Fundamental frequency V1 is equal to nu 1 is equal to 1 by 2L into under root T by mu. Remember this one. This is what first case. This is what fundamental frequency of a stretched string. Please note down, children. Take a snapshot. Fundamental frequency. This is also called first harmonic. Harmonic means nothing but multiples of fundamental frequency. This is called first harmonic. That means first time one complete loop is formed, so that this is called fundamental frequency, also called first harmonic. Second harmonic means two waves are produced. Sir, how to produce two waves? You have to tight the wire so that if you plug it, two waves are produced. Let us consider. Exactly we cannot define, but imagine two waves are produced in the wire. Now second case we will see. Now fundamental frequency or first harmonic. Now case 2. Case 2, observe, children. Now what I am doing? I am tightening the wire, I am tightening the string, and I am plugging the wire string, so that what is happening here? Two waves are produced. Let us consider the length of the string do not change. Only what will change? Now two waves are produced. Nothing, children. Don't worry. How two waves are produced means very simple. Just tight the wire. How much you tighten, that those many waves are produced. Length of the wire do not change. Number of loops are changed. Instead of one, two loops are produced. So this is called second harmonic. Second harmonic. Harmonic means nothing but multiples of fundamental frequency. Fundamental frequency means one harmonic, so that one wave is produced at that time. Now two loops are produced. So it is how many loops are produced, those many harmonics are present. Only one loop, one harmonic. Two loops, two harmonic. This is what two harmonic. Now see, children, here particles can move freely. So this point is called antinode. Where particle displacement is maximum is called antinode. Here also antinode. Here particle displacement is minimum node. This is node, this point is node, this point is node. That means in second harmonic, 3 nodes and 2 antinodes are formed. 1, 2, 3 and 2 antinodes. 3 nodes and 2 antinodes are formed in a second harmonic. Now what is the distance between these two? This total loop, half loop, one loop means lambda by 2. This is lambda by 2, this is lambda by 2. Two halves make one lambda. So lambda wavelength is nothing but two loops, combination of two loops. Two loops makes one wavelength. So this is also, you can write it as lambda by 2 plus lambda by 2, 2 lambda by 2. This is what 2 lambda by 2, second harmonic. Now see, children, length of the string is equal to what? 2 lambda by 2. From this lambda is equal to cross multiply. 2 comes into numerator, 2L by 2. This is lambda value. We don't want lambda value, we want frequency, second frequency. Number of waves, how many waves are produced in second harmonic? Now frequency V is equal to nu lambda, nu2 is equal to V by lambda, lambda comes into denominator, but nu2 is equal to V by lambda value how much? 2L by 2, 2L by 2, 2 comes into numerator. Now nu2 is equal to 2 by 2L into what is V value? V is equal to under root T by mu. This is what a second harmonic. Second harmonic frequency is in second harmonic, two loops are produced in second harmonic frequency. Second frequency is equal to 2 by 2 into under root T by mu. Please note down, children. I will write here. First harmonic we got V1 is equal to 1 by 2L into under root T by mu. This is second frequency, mu2 is equal to 1 by 2, sorry, 2 by 2L into under root T by mu. This is what second harmonic. This is first harmonic, this is second harmonic. This is also called fundamental frequency. This is first harmonic, this is second harmonic. Now we will find third harmonic. Please note down. Now see children, can I rub? Third harmonic, what will happen? What will happen in third harmonic? Now see children, these are fixed supports here and here, string is same. Now if you plug it, what will happen? Here first wave, another wave comes from that side. For convenience I am writing this side. Three loops are formed. The length of the string does not change, length same untundi. This is the length of the string. Now here particles can displace very freely. Why? Because so much free space is there. So this is called antinode. Here also can move freely, antinode. Here also wave can move freely, antinode. This is node, 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 node. One loop means the distance between two successive nodes lambda by 2, lambda by 2, lambda by 2, lambda by 2. This is nothing but 3 lambda by 2. So length of string is equal to 3 lambda by 2 children. Length does not change. Length eppudu okate. Same length. The string length is same L. But the distance between loops are changed. 3 loops are produced. One loop means lambda by 2. Why? Because the distance between two successive nodes or antinodes is lambda by 2. Node and node, successive nodes, lambda by 2, lambda by 2, lambda by 2, 3 lambda by 2. From this lambda, what will happen? 2L by 3. Lambda value we got, wavelength is equal to 2L by 3. Now I want a third frequency. V is equal to nu lambda, velocity in a string, frequency lambda. From this nu3 is equal to what will happen? V by lambda. But nu3 is equal to V by lambda value how much? 2L by 3. 3 comes into numerator, 3V by 2L. But nu3 is equal to 3 by 2L into, in place of V, what is velocity of progressive wave? T by mu. This is what third harmonic. Third harmonic nu3 is equal to 3 by 2L into under root T by mu. Like that, nu4, nu5, so on. Like that you will get so on. Please note down children. This is what, which harmonic? Third harmonic. 3 loops are produced now. How many loops are produced? Those many harmonics we have to write. Harmonic means nothing but multiple of fundamental frequency. Fundamental means only one loop. If 2 loops are present, 2 harmonics. 2 into fundamental, 3 into fundamental. That means harmonic means multiples of fundamental frequencies. Fundamental frequency is nothing but first loop. Number of loops are nothing but harmonics. 3 loops means 3 harmonics. Please note down children. Now completed. Now I am going to find the ratio of frequencies. What is the ratio of frequencies in the string? The ratio of frequencies in a stretched string. What are the ratio of frequencies in a stretched string? first frequency nu1 ratio nu2 ratio nu3 ratio so on is equal to, what is first ratio, tell me? 1 by 2l into under root t by mu ratio 2 by 2l into under root t by mu ratio 3 by 2l into under root t by mu so on. T by mu root t by mu cancel, 2l 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 cancel. So what is the remaining? 1 is to 2 is to 3 is to so on. These are the frequencies. Nu1 is to nu2 is to nu3. This is what ratio of frequencies. Ratio of frequencies in a stretched string. Very important question, children. 4 marks important question. Ratio of frequencies. Is it visible? Not visible, I think so. So the question is ratio of frequencies in a stretched string. Please note down, children, important question. Take a snapshot. See, children, once again I am repeating. The question is, what are the ratio of frequencies in a stretched string? What are the ratio of frequencies in a stretched string? Frequency, first fundamental frequency nu1, for the first harmonic, second harmonic frequency nu2, third harmonic frequency nu3, is so on. This is nu4, so on, is equal to, what is the first harmonic? 1 by 2l into under root 2 by mu. This is 2 by root 2l into under root 2 by mu, t by mu. 3 by 2l into under root 2 by mu. All are cancelled except 1 is to, 2 is to, 3 is to, so on. These are the frequencies of fundamental or first harmonic, second harmonic, third harmonic frequencies in a stretched string. Please note down, children. Important. Completed, children? Prepare well. This is an important question in intermediate public examination, board level examination, important question. Next we will see in both sides, two sides open tube, what kind of waves are produced, what are the fundamental frequency, what are the frequencies ratio, we will see in the next video. Please revise properly, prepare notes and write well, prepare well. All the best. God bless you.